Hello friends, looking to upgrade your kitchen in 2024? Check out these Amazon bestsellers in kitchen gadgets. From time-saving tools to innovative appliances, these gadgets will take your cooking game to the next level. The must-have Ninja air fryer delivers crispy food with less oil, while the Instant Pot offers multifunctional cooking magic. Love fresh ingredients? The vegetable spiralizer turns veggies into fun, healthy noodles in no time. Don't miss the meat thermometer for perfectly cooked meals every time, or the milk frother for cafe-style coffee at home. With these top-rated gadgets, cooking has never been easier or more fun. So friends, watch full video without dragging, and if you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon next to it to get more new videos first. Let's start the video.
Electric coffee grinder. The Amazon Basics electric coffee grinder offers a fast and efficient way to grind fresh coffee beans for your daily brew. With a powerful motor and stainless steel blades, it quickly grinds beans to your preferred consistency, whether coarse for French press or fine for espresso. Its compact design fits easily on countertops, and the transparent lid allows you to monitor the grinding process. The grinder can also be used for spices and herbs, making it a versatile kitchen tool. A one-touch operation simplifies use, while the safety lock feature ensures the blades only spin when the lid is securely in place. The removable grinding bowl makes cleanup easy, and its 3.2-ounce capacity is perfect for small to medium batches, ideal for coffee lovers seeking fresh, flavorful coffee at home.
Mini fridge. The Sweet Crispy 3.2 QUF mini fridge is a compact yet spacious appliance, perfect for dorm rooms, offices, or small apartments. Despite its small size, it offers ample storage for drinks, snacks, and perishables, with adjustable shelves for easy organization. The mini fridge comes with a built-in freezer compartment for frozen items like ice cream or frozen meals. Its energy-efficient design helps save on electricity while keeping your items at the perfect temperature. With a sleek, modern design, it complements any room decor. The reversible door adds flexibility, allowing you to open it from either side. Quiet operation makes it ideal for bedrooms or workspaces. It's the perfect balance of convenience and functionality.
Indoor grill, the Cusimax. Indoor electric smokeless grill is a perfect solution for enjoying delicious BBQ meals indoors without the hassle of smoke. With 1500 W of power, this grill heats up quickly, providing even cooking for your favorite dishes. Ideal for Korean BBQ and a variety of other cuisines, it features a non-stick grill plate that ensures easy food release and quick cleaning. The adjustable temperature control allows for precise cooking, from searing meats to grilling vegetables. Designed with a detachable drip tray, it effectively reduces smoke while collecting excess grease for healthier meals. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for small spaces or apartment living. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a casual meal, the Cusimax Indoor Grill brings the fun of grilling right into your kitchen.
4-in-1 Countertop Convection Steam Oven. The Fotile Chef QBI 4-in-1 Countertop Convection Steam Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for modern cooking needs, combining 4 functions: convection, steaming, air frying, and dehydrating. It offers unmatched flexibility in meal preparation. With precise temperature control, it ensures even cooking, making it ideal for everything from baking pastries to roasting meats. Its built-in steam feature locks in moisture, resulting in healthier and juicier dishes. The compact countertop design is perfect for any kitchen size, offering a space-saving solution without compromising functionality. The user-friendly interface and preset cooking modes make it easy for beginners and professionals alike. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its removable components. Ideal for health-conscious cooking, the Chef QB brings convenience and innovation to your daily culinary experience.
Eggshell opener. This eggshell opener is a must-have tool for anyone who loves soft or hard-boiled eggs. It makes cracking open eggs clean and effortless without any mess or shell fragments. Simply place the opener on top of the egg, pull the handle, and release to create a perfect cut around the shell. Made from durable stainless steel, it's designed to last and is easy to clean. The compact design fits comfortably in your hand and takes up little storage space in the kitchen. Ideal for breakfast, meal prep, or decorative dishes, this tool makes egg handling simple and efficient. Perfect for chefs, home cooks, or egg lovers looking for precision and ease.